Dada. Tricked you. Prank. It was a prank. I said, do you want a snowman? Or do you want to play? Sing with me, Dale. Say, do you want a snowman? Or do you want to play? Do you want a snowman? Or do you want to play? Boy, don't say that. What's up, the creative mind of Bree? Back on another video on this Sunday. Look who's right here asleep. Amora's over there, came out the room. She's getting a little bit better. She's getting a lot of mucus out her system. I don't think she need to keep eating no fast food and stuff like that, because you know that's where it comes from. At least if it's home cooked, you know, you cleaning it, getting the mucus and all that stuff off, because sometimes even Publix, they chicken still have little feathers and stuff and don't taste clean, so you gotta really be careful. And they over here watching The Simpsons. I ain't know The Simpsons is on Disney Plus, so I think that's for the teens and the parents though. But yep, it's on here. Not for like, I think his age or Dravion or Amora. But yeah. Hope y'all having a good day today. As always, a blessed day. Today we just really chilling. We might just watch some movies. You know, they got school tomorrow, so I might have to, you know, I can't really do too much. Demetrius want to make some hamburgers today. I guess he liked yesterday cooking. Dravion saying he don't want to be in there. He don't feel like. I say he don't have to today. Yesterday was the lesson, but Demetrius, he want to do it, so I'm gonna show him how to do it, because that's easy too, actually. But at least he'll know how to make it. You know, just rolling it up, seasoning, put it in the oven, and when to get it out. So, y'all, I guess I'll talk to y'all later. They watching this, so I don't want to be too loud talking. So, I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. So y'all know this, y'all. It's making me feel weird in a good way, like I'm about to float. I done drunk a little bit. First when I tasted, I was like, oh, this is so nasty. But it wasn't nasty. It was just a little bitter. But it's how much I drunk, so I'm about to drink some more. Because I like drinking, you know, what people call nasty, or even myself, because if it have benefits to help me, then I'm going to drink it. So this is the ingredients right here. It looked like it's a kombucha, black tea, green tea, kiwi juice, raspberry juice, lemon juice, fresh pressed ginger, fresh pressed, I had to say that over, ginger juice, and 100% pure love, organically produced. Oh, it say do not shake. That's why I said that, because when I had it, I didn't shake it, but I put it on the ground like really hard. So I guess that's when it started to fizz up like soda. So I don't know what else they got in here to make it like that. Let's see, please. So they both sleep. I just gave her a bath and put some vapor rub, baby rub on her. chest. She didn't want me to put it beneath her, under her nose, because it was sore, you know, when you keep wiping. So she have those 3 bottles that y'all see, the water bottles. One is water. The second one is ginger and lemon tea, and with honey in it, because you know she's not gonna drink it plain. I will, and the older ones will, but actually she will when I'm drinking it. She'll ask for some. The third one is orange juice. So I'm just giving her all those drinks to, you know, put fluid in her body to, you know, flush that stuff out. Every time she drinks, she don't like drinking because it makes her cough. And when she coughs, she spits up mucus. It's a whole bunch of cold in her throat. This one kept begging me to just cook something. So he cooking some hamburger. Cause I want to be a chef when I grow up. Dale, what you doing? What's up, y'all? The kids are asleep. I'm finally about to come in here and wash the dishes and make sure the living room, the dining room, everything is cleaned in here. But yeah, today it was a rough day today, kinda. It wasn't really like the norm. I was kind of stressed today. Fussing with the kids more than I usually do. Sometimes if I feel like they teaming up on me, I have to put them back in their place. But yeah, it was kind of stressful. But I just handle it and, you know, be a mother and make sure they gonna do what I tell them to do, and make sure I get everything situated and still run a household. Sometimes, as you know, they're growing up, sometimes they can try to do certain things to try to get to me or want me to react to it. Sometimes I do get to that point, but I'm working on it. I just want to, you know, parent in a more nurturing way as a mother. But sometimes I have to put on another hat, like to discipline them in a, you know, a more firm way. So hopefully soon I learn something to help me to better my parenting skill and be a better mother and a person. Not saying that I'm a bad mother, but just saying that I can do it without, sometimes I slip up on some cuss words and stuff like that, or I don't whoop them like that, but if I have to, they're gonna get some pops on the butt with a belt. But other than that, it wasn't like bad, but it was kind of stressful today, just trying to get everything. But you know, nothing that I couldn't handle. Right now it's late, so but you know, I'm not gonna really worry. I'm just gonna make sure I give it all to God, all my worries, and know that He has them and He has me also. So with that being said, y'all have a good day, and know that we all are parents that's trying to do our best out here, or just people trying to do our best, and we can do it. Just still have that patience, that hope, believe that God will make a way. Keep praying and work with your family, you know, set rules, have house meetings, whatever you have to do to make sure that everybody on the same page, and make sure not one person just doing everything or whatever. Yeah, so y'all see my edges. Y'all be thinking my jump be slick down, but y'all see them, they fuzzy wuzzy. And this one's still trying to catch up, so I can add that to the block. But yeah, a little fuzzy wuzzy right there. So I don't know, it was just distracting me. But anyways, yeah, let me hurry up so I can take a shower and, you know, wind it down for myself, and, you know, do what I have to do to get my rest. But I love y'all. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. This is the vlog number 4. I think I'll be doing okay, but you know, I want to do way more, but this is my life and I love it. And when we're able to do more things for y'all, we will. But until then, y'all enjoy this and y'all get to know us. Go on this journey. I love y'all so much. Make sure y'all subscribe. Press that notification bell if you're new. Thank you for coming to my page. I love you. All right, y'all. Good night.